Good day, everyone. My name is Alfolabi Sunday. I am a project manager and AI automation developer. And today I'll be walking us through this beautiful workflow. Yeah, I always call my workflow beautiful because why not? They are always beautiful. And the most exciting part of this workflow is it is not just a workflow that is built for no reason. It is a workflow that is built to solve real-time problem. This is a workflow that will give us insight on what is really happening in any industry that we are looking to solve a problem, and it will help us provide a solution. Now, this workflow now is a workflow that will allow us to monitor our Reddit. Yeah, so I am looking to solve a problem in the real estate. So it will allow us to monitor our real estate. So this is a subreddit that I will be working on. So to monitor this and look for people or maybe posts that are actually, pertaining to maybe a problem. Now, what we do is to create a possible solution for that problem, and that exactly is what can help us to create an opportunity. With that, we can create a business. So if you are looking to create a business, you can just reach out to me and we work together to do some analysis. So this is where we'll have our sorry, I want to show us our Google Sheet. We should see that our Google Sheet is empty right now. So this is where our details will be coming into. Then we'll have our possible solution, our post summary, original post, URL, upvotes. Upvotes are like likes. So the more people like, so people are really interested in this particular post. So with that, we can know how to what to actually do with it. So let's go and execute this together. Now this node is to search for posts in this subreddit. Now I'll click on execute and I will explain as it is going. Yeah, this is to search for post, and this is to filter it. I put the filter based on some criterias, and one of the criterias is the date that the post is being made. Maybe we don't want to go to post that was made a year ago, so I actually did it that okay, it should search for post 5 months, till now, and also the upvote. So if it's a post that has like maybe two and more, so we know that okay, this is a post that people are actually interested. And this agent now is to describe our problem, like the problem that the that the post is talking about. This agent now is to describe it. Then this agent is to provide a solution for this problem, and this is to summarize the problem. This is to summarize it. And now it has appended our Google Sheet. So our Google Sheet has been updated now. We'll go and look it. Then let's look at it and see the problem and see the solution provided. We'll know that this is something that will provide a root time. Now, this is subreddit real estate investment subreddit size. So this subreddit size means that okay, the number size of people that are in that group, like subreddit. So that means we have 1.9 million people in that subreddit. That's a very large number. So with that, I believe we can have something to decide on. Then the original post was posted on the 6th on the 25th of the 6th month 2025. It has four upvotes. This is the URL. If you should click on this now, it will take us to this particular post. Then this is the original post. This is the summary. Now this is the summary. Understand? Then this is the solution. Now let's quickly skim through this. At least in my area, two plus properties sell for less than 1 unit. This would be a traditional solution for making the numbers blah blah blah. I believe we can read through. Then let's look at the solution provided. So this actually it will help anyone interested in starting a business in real estate, to look at okay, this is the problem that people are actually facing in this area. Then you can be able to decide Then this is the business idea: property conversion. Okay, launch a consulting and contracting service that specializes in converting, and that's how it is. You service of part consultation, design service, construction management, market analysis, and believe me, there's no way you will do this type of business and you will not make your profits. And this analysis is what will really help you to make an accurate decision. And if you are looking to do this, you are actually looking into building a business, and you don't just want to go into a business you don't have an idea about, you can reach out to me. We'll work on it together. We do your analysis together, and we'll automate it in a way that you can have access to monitor several subreddits, or maybe you are looking into other platforms. We can integrate all of these things. Once again, my name is Afolabi Sunday. If you are a business owner, you are a startup, you are an agency, you can always reach out to me and let's work together. Thank you.